Kimmy the Gadget Goddess. And I'll just say, if everybody told me that I was going to get this phone, you were right, I was wrong. I only ended up getting the Google Pixel 9 Pro Fold, which I will stop referring to as all of that because it's too long of a name to deal with. We'll just call it the Pixel Fold 9, Pixel 9 Fold, the Pixel Fold 2, or whatever you want to call it. If I had never gotten the Google Pixel 9 Pro XL, I would not have the Fold right now. I'm saying it, it's factual information. I fell in love with the phone the moment I got my SIM in it. And I was like, man, if this phone is this good, I gotta try out the Fold. So here I am with the Fold and the 9 Pro XL. So I'm gonna run these two together. I've never really carried two of the same phone or two of the same type of devices. I usually run two different operating systems because that's how I roll. But I'm gonna run these two and see which one I like better and maybe unload one. I don't know, y'all. I don't know what's going on with me lately, but this is where we are. No, I mean, I haven't borrowed anybody's phone. This is mine. It says welcome. It's downloading apps. It's even got an update to go. So it's literally doing its thing. It's got a SIM in it. So people always say, well, which phone has your main SIM in it? And I don't really have a main SIM. I use my phones pretty equally. For the most part, this is where we are. This is what we're doing the next couple weeks. Look for a video on cases. I also have a tempered glass screen protector installation that's coming. And so yeah, this is what we're gonna do. I have some matte screen protectors coming for the inside. For some odd reason, I can't find matte tempered glass screen protectors for any of these devices. You see, I'm still sitting with a glossy that needs to be cleaned off screen protector here. It's time for another treatment here to get the fingerprints off. And I'm about to install a regular glossy screen protector here. You got questions, comments, concerns about my well-being? Leave them in the comments. Short, super short video. If I think of anything else to put it in here, other than what I just told you and why I'm here, and why I have these two devices, I will wedge it into this video. Otherwise, just a short introduction of why we're here. I hope to catch you on my next video, yo. I don't even have to do an outro to this one. I'm embarrassed at myself. I'm out.